Good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of 26th of November. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right. Okay. We had the sell signals fixed yesterday. Those have been delivering pretty well. We haven't made target on the or the possible near miss target on Bitcoin, and I'm expecting it to. There is a very obvious target at a back test of the daily middle band, which I've got just under the 90,000 area, and I think that's probably going to get a test. Is it going to go lower? Well, we'll still have, when the RSI 5 sell signal makes target, we'll still have an RSI 14 sell signal fixed on Bitcoin. We'll have one on Solana, but we won't have one yet on Ethereum, and I think that might be about to fix soon. On the hourly chart, we've got, we've got a possible RSI 14 and just an RSI 14 possible buy signal brewing. We do have a very obvious target if we're going to get that low, which would be a test of the possible head and shoulder neckline in the 86.7 area. And if we're going to do a much larger retracement, then that could be the first warning sign that would be about to happen. On the 15-minute chart, we've got a possible RSI 14. No, actually, we've got one fixed from here. We've got an RSI 14 buy signal fixed. Not taking that too seriously at the moment. I've got two necklines here. Really, it's just the one at 86.7. But watching out for that to see if we make it. On Solana, obviously, we had the RSI 14 and RSI 5 sell signals both fixed as well. Here, we've already come down and we're testing the daily middle band. I've got that at 226.80. And I'm thinking it's probably going to go a bit lower, but I don't know if it's going to sustain that. If we go significantly lower, then I have to say the really attractive target for a strong retracement and nice buy level if we get it would be the 200. The 50 DMA at 187.92. That would be a very nice buy level if we got there. Not sure it's going to get that far. In terms of the short-term pattern, we've already broken down through here. We've reached a possible head and shoulder neckline, and we could be forming a right shoulder at the moment, but to be honest, it wasn't a clean hit by any means. So I'm thinking that's probably not going to be the case. We've got a possible hourly RSI 14 buy signal brewing here too. And on the on the 15-minute chart, no current divergence, but you can see it overshot significantly this trend line here. We shall see. I'd love to see a decent retracement here, in which case I think I'd be looking for a retracement of this 155 to 264 move. Obviously, if we were to see a 50% back, then that would get us back to about the 210 area. That would be a good target area for this. I'm not really expecting to see any more than that, and I'd be a bit surprised to see it get much below 200. We will see. I think getting down to 155 might actually be a sign that this move had actually finished and that the bull market is over for the time being. I would be very surprised if that was the case. Looking at Ethereum, we've got a nice possible RSI 14 sell signal brewing. That didn't fix because Ethereum's not really been following the others particularly well. And we saw a move up here, which wasn't really mirrored on the others. And then we saw a move down, which was much smaller than the others. So Ethereum is holding up best. We got a potential little level top here, nested actually. And I am wondering if we might see a break below it. If so, we could see a move down, which could get us down into about the 3,040 area, and I've got, that would be well below the daily middle band, which I've got at 3196. The daily middle band is far away. I've got that in the 3200 area. I think that's got a pretty good chance of being tested. We'll see how that goes. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. I will catch you guys tomorrow, and should be an interesting session today.